from 2-1.
Hello everyone, my name is Igin Lin. Stay right. Charlie was a poor, lonely man. He had no job and walked around the city every day. One day, he saw a girl on the street. She was blind and selling flowers for her family. Suddenly, she dropped a flower, so Charlie picked it up and bought it. The girl thanked him, but he did not say a word and walked away. The girl could not see Charlie and thought, he's a rich kind of man. Charlie got a job and bought flowers from her every day. He became very important to her. One night, Charlie met a rich man and told him about the girl. The man gave $1,000 to Charlie. Charlie gave the money to the girl and said, "Here, get surgery for your eyes." But the police thought Charlie stole the rich man's money. The rich man was forgetful and did not say anything. So the police put Charlie in jail. Several months later, Charlie got out of jail. He saw the girl on the street again. She was still selling flowers, but now she could see thanks to Charlie. He tried to pass the girl without any words. She did not know his face, but he looked very poor and tired, so she gave a flower and some money to him. She touched his hand and remembered. "Was it you?" she asked. Charlie smiled and nodded.